Yo, what's going on, guys? I know it's been a hot ass minute. I know. You don't have to tell me nothing. I'm sorry. Alright, I'm sorry. I just lost motivation to stop working on my car. What are you doing, son? Lost motivation, work on my car. But we're back now. We're back. We're doing good, bossing up, making big moves. And we back like we never left. Guarantee that. We back like we never left. But we're back like we never left, and we're gonna keep it going. I'm trying to make YouTube videos all year. I don't know what kind of content I'm gonna make, car meets or something, working on my car. But I finally finished and got my car to a point where, you know, I'm kind of proud of owning this thing. I'm actually kind of proud of owning this thing. Finally got the bumper painted after a whole year of having it. It took me forever. I don't know why. Don't ask why. But here we are today. Got it painted, and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. This is how it's sitting right now. Got the whole front end painted. Got the bumper painted. I really need new headlights, so don't mind those. I'm gonna get those next, I promise. But I got the new C-West. It's a rep. Just letting y'all know it's a rep. I know. New C-West bumper painted and color match. So it looks all right. I mean, I think it looks really good. I don't know about y'all, but I think it looks really nice. It matches the car's body lines really nice. What do y'all think? I think that shit's hot. I think it's hot. It sits pretty fucking low too, which I dig that. And it's just a bumper. I don't even need a lip kit. Don't need nothing. Just an aggressive ass bumper. It gives me an aggressive ass fitment. See that? See the pearl in that. Yes. My dog's intrigued. Now I really want to get rid of these things. These things are going. They're gonna be going next, I promise. I need to get something less cringe. I think those are super cringe. I got my rear lip on. We still out here. Finally got the rear lip on after my other one, my last one, ripped off. Let's see how long this one lasts. How long do y'all think this one's gonna last? I have no fucking idea. We gonna see. I really need to paint the rear end. I'm gonna paint the whole car again. The only reason I painted the front end, not the whole thing, was because my dad has so much work. Like, my dad is the one that paints my cars, in case y'all didn't know. He has a whole lot of work, so I didn't want to take any of his time away. Yeah, I didn't want to take any of his time away. I got lucky enough, he snuck me in for a couple days, bossed me up with the front bumper, and that's more than I could have asked for. But in a month or so, I'll have the whole car redone. Every single dent, every single little detail that I need to fix, it'll be fixed. And I want to add a little extra something in there to make the color a little extra. You know, I feel like I've had the color just looking like this for way too long. It needs something else. But I need to order a new rear bumper because the clips are broken, which I'll get that in. Hopefully my bumper will sit flush. I really need to make my rear lip sit more flush too, because it doesn't sit as flush as I wish it did. But yeah, if I do anything else later today, I'll put it in a vlog or something. But for right now, I got some rollers I'm gonna throw in so y'all can see how it looks rolling. It looks really good. Some clean ass rollers. And y'all can let me know what y'all think about the bumper. I think it looks super, super aggressive. I really like it. And yeah, just give me some feedback. And I'll see you later.